Hi, this is Chad the Van Man with Sherry Vans in Piqua, Ohio. Today we're going to be having a look at a new addition to our lot. It's a 2018 Dodge Caravan that's been upfitted with a power wheelchair ramp that comes out the side, and the van also kneels to decrease the grade of the ramp. So let's have a look here. This one is like a gray metallic color. This key fob also has remote start built into it. You can power open the doors. This little button here, it's going to put the lift out. Just hold that. That door is going to open. The ramp will be ejected out. And then it's going to start to kneel. Just roll your wheelchair or little scooter right up here. Then it says the tracks for the tie downs, so you can put your Q straints in there to secure the wheelchair, and you can close it. This little button right here, so you can pull that in. Van lifts back up, and then this door will close. This is a little step here because they had to lower this floor for the wheelchair. This little step here, so whoever's sitting on this back bench, their feet aren't just all dangling down there. And you can just flip that right back up with your feet. Hit that button 2 times, open up that door. This button here 2 times, open up that door if you want to just open the door. And then hit this button 2 times. And the back hatch will open up. Got a little bit of storage under here. Not sure who did the mobility conversion on this. It does have a spare tire. There's a Q straint tie downs. Looks like there's only 2. It's something to house the motor for it. We need to put a couple more Q straints in here, so remind your salesperson of that in the video there were only 2 tie downs. There needs to be 4 total. You hit that button to close it, or you can also use your key fob. This does have a hitch on the back. It's a 4-pin wiring, so you can pull a little trailer or put a little bike rack on it. Tires on it are decent. Not going to be an expense here soon. I'd say this have a couple years left on them. Looking for a tire date 23rd week of 2024. So again, this is a 2018. I'm just going to take a moment to walk all around it. Just a little scuff there. Little scratch there. Scuff right there. For the most part, pretty good shape, I'd say. A little bit of scuffs there on the bumper. Has these like ground effects added on here. Just look like there's a little crease or dent in that. You can see that or not. This side, just a couple little dings on the edge of the door. A little bit of scratching and scuffs here and some bug guts, but other than that, pretty good looking van. So for the remote start, hit that button, double tap that one. Okay, well, not sure why the remote start's not working. We need to get that checked out. Remind your salesperson of that. Inside here, it's just have power seats, Also, I forgot to mention when I was here in the back, these seats will pop right out of here. So you can roll out the driver or the passenger seat. See where this is cut out along the floor here. So whoever, this chair here is manual for the passenger. It's just a driver's seat that's power. But you can take out this seat or this seat. So the person in the wheelchair could either be driving the van or they could be in the passenger seat, and you could have another wheelchair behind it. So you could potentially have two wheelchairs in here if you were to remove one of either the driver or passenger seats. It's 73,000 miles, 73,630 miles. We've got Bluetooth controls here, cruise controls here, power windows, power locks, power mirrors.
In our lifetime, and it's just a matter of people having a little bit of patience and a little bit of subscription now by calling 844.
It is a touchscreen radio. Don't see any navigation. Here's climate control for the rear here. Again, this is a 2018 Dodge Caravan with just a little under 74,000 miles on it. We are Paul Sherry Vans of Pickwa, Ohio. If you have any questions on this van or any of the other vans out here, my personal contact information, Chad the Van Man, is in the first comment beneath this video. Please click like and subscribe, and remind your salesperson to get that remote start checked out. Thank you.